Welcome back to V8X, the channel where performance meets precision and every drive tells a story. If you love cars that combine smart technology, premium design, and real-world efficiency, you're in the right place. This is V8X. Let's get started. Today, we're taking a close and cinematic look at the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid, finished in the stunning turquoise blue that instantly turns heads. This isn't just another sedan. This is Honda redefining what modern hybrid luxury looks like in America. Let's begin with the front view. The moment you see the Civic Hybrid head-on, it feels confident and aggressive. The sharp LED headlights, bold black grille, and clean aerodynamic lines give it a futuristic presence. This front design is sporty without being overdone, exactly what American drivers love: bold, clean, and purposeful. Move to the side view, and the story gets even better. The flowing body lines, sculpted doors, and perfectly balanced proportions give the 2025 Civic Hybrid a premium profile. The turquoise blue paint reflects light beautifully, highlighting every curve. This side angle screams motion, even when the car is standing still, pure modern elegance. Now let's check out the back view. Honda nailed it here. The LED tail lights glow with a sharp, confident signature, while the rear bumper design adds just the right amount of sportiness. It's clean, refined, and unmistakably Civic, a rear design that looks just as good pulling away as it does parked. Step inside, and the dashboard view delivers a true upgrade. The interior feels driver-focused and premium. A fully digital instrument cluster, a wide infotainment screen, and high-quality materials surround you. Everything is exactly where it should be. This is a cabin built for comfort, technology, and long American road trips. Under the hood, the engine view tells the real story. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with advanced electric motors, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive mileage. It's quiet, responsive, and smart, proof that hybrid doesn't mean boring anymore. From above, the drone view shows just how well this car fits into modern American life. Whether it's cruising through the city or gliding along open roads, the Civic Hybrid looks perfectly at home. Its compact yet confident size makes it ideal for both urban streets and wide highways. Speaking of highways, the highway shot is where this car truly shines. Stable, smooth, and confident at speed, the Civic Hybrid feels planted and relaxed. It's the kind of car you can drive for hours without fatigue, efficient, comfortable, and quietly powerful. And when the sun goes down, the night shot steals the show. The glowing LEDs, reflections on the turquoise blue paint, and the calm confidence of its design make this car look straight out of a luxury commercial. It's subtle, classy, and undeniably premium. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid is expected to start at around $30,000 in the US, depending on trim and options. For a hybrid sedan offering this level of design, technology, and reliability, that price feels incredibly competitive. Ending channel call. This has been your in-depth look at the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid in turquoise blue, smart, stylish, and ready for the future. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with V8X, where premium cars meet premium content. This is V8X. We'll see you in the next drive. Automobile Fire.